What is up, guys? We're out here in the moto truck.
What's up, guys?
On a beautiful day where it's not raining currently. That's good for here recently. But we are headed up Buffalo Mountain. We're gonna hit some trails on it. This baby's freshly lifted into line. Got a 3-inch lift in the front and
1 inch in the back.
1 inch in the back.
Buffalo Mountain, as if we ever went anywhere else.
This is the only place. So we're gonna get somewhere cool, maybe get out, get some video of the truck, let you guys see it, and then we're gonna go on a trail and hopefully get some video of that. Just hang out. So, we've got a chicken. We just caught us a chicken.
Okay, now that we're out of their way. So I got a chicken. I'm not even having to hold him anymore. He's just, I've started petting his head and he kind of likes it. So, we're not really sure if they're they don't really look exactly like chickens. They're more
like grouse?
I think they're more like baby eagles or something.
Baby eagles?
I think it's a baby eagle.
Dude, that is a velociraptor. I've seen them in movies. That's a velociraptor.
Yeah, it really is. And I mean, he's a really good chicken. He's not trying
Dude, title of the video, we caught a velociraptor. I hope he shits. Yeah, he's a great chicken.
Well, he was enjoying it until I moved him.
Well, I called him a velociraptor and he got kind of upset.
I don't think he's a velociraptor.
He might identify as a triceratops.
I mean, look at him though. He's a really good chicken. We're gonna let him go.
Holy shit. Oh, wait. Holy crap.
Holy crap.
So we're kind of finally on the trail-ish. It just started. It's got some pretty soupy spots on it, so. God, this thing rides like a brick. Like a good brick, though. It's like a nice brick.
It rode like a brick before the lift, though, so I really don't feel that bad.
Quick question before he starts. What are those? Okay, game time. Let's hit this big old mud puddle. Got to slow your roll! Okay, we got a pretty big puddle here. Let me throw you on the. We're not even gonna cut this. Professional videoing at its best. We have got a pretty good sized puddle up here.
It's hard packed sand.
Yeah, it's filled with sand, so it shouldn't be bad. Here we go.
Pressing.
Yeah.
Sharp rocks.
Yeah. Say yeah, dang it. Yeah. Just 1 second after our last clip, he saw this and decided he was going to climb it. It's a little steeper than it looks in person. That's, you know how cameras always work. So let's get up here, not get snake bit. I hate snakes, FYI. And let's watch him try and climb this. That gives pretty good perspective of how steep it is. Yeah, man, them headlights look good. That wheel's like a foot off the ground almost in the back. I don't know. He did black housings. He added fog lights, of course the light bar. Oh, come on. Get you a better angle on it. Not gonna climb it. That's pretty cool looking up in there. Check that out. Make sure he's not gonna hit me. I think he's done. Yeah, he's done. Well, he tore it up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
Oh, okay, that's like a...
Look like got Park Ranger Jake here.
I don't feel as bad about that now.
Dude, you know what's gonna happen next?
What?
I gotta see if the Ram will do it.
That's a rock ledge.
I gotta see if a Ram will do it.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, but you're gonna have 34s on it when you do it.
No, it don't matter.
It does matter.
Look at all the ground clearance this thing's got.
No, it don't matter, but that's a rock ledge though, okay? To be fair.
Look at all the ground clearance this thing's got. Well, just a little, that thing we talked about earlier about what are we gonna do if we run into somebody? Well, why do I have to talk like it anyway? Well, we just ran into somebody, so we backed up in this turn. They're in a newer 4Runner. It looks really good. Looks really mean. So they're going to be coming up the trail here in a second. But yeah, so that's what happens. We just happened to be like right there.
A great spot too.
So yeah, we backed up like 20 yards and now we're out of the way. So we lucked up. Is it going to focus? Oh, dude, that water bottle shot though. Oh, that shot was money. There she comes.
Dude, I love that color. That sand.
Yeah.
Or whatever you want to call it.
Thing looks good, dude.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. I like that. Get in the bed and stand up. You'll be able to get
hold on.
over this little.
Again, we're not going to cut it. No editing. This is all live action.
Live action.
I'm going to get a copyright strike from Turtle Man. I'm in the bush. I'm in the bush. Oh God, I'm in the bush. Hup, hup. Look at that thing. Oh, he's gonna, hold on. Okay, camera on the tripod. Here we go, okay. Let's ride this donkey. I don't know why I called it a donkey, it's a donkey now. Alrighty guys, got us another big mud puddle here. Oh, you're a freaking, oh, you're an asshole, dude. That was just really uncalled for. I'm gonna quit videoing for you. I don't have to do this.
I didn't get out of 4 low and it wouldn't go out of 4 low.
Yeah, that's what that was.
No, I put it in dual drive and him started beeping at me and wouldn't go out.
Well, we got another mud puddle up here. I'm just back here dodging trees. That's my profession anymore. I'm a professional tree dodger, along with Park Ranger Jake here, to serve you on this journey. Let's get back to the regularly scheduled program here. Are we there yet? Those don't look promising. Might get a little rain here later. It's not too dark. Ah! Oh, mud puddle. Oh, would you quit doing that?
Sorry, I wanted to get that.
I'm gonna sit down before he floors it. Yeah.
Alright. You ready?
I think so.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm stealing all kinds of you know, people's lines today. I can't. Look guys, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I'm just a park ranger. You know what? I'm just extremely fortunate and glad that whole shot was zoomed absolutely all the way in and completely out of focus. Oh, and we're at the end. This is it. That's a little bigger than it was last time. Can you pull a little farther forward? Hold up. Yeah, come on, farther forward. Now you made it. Congratulations. You finally did it. You didn't have to do it. Look at this. This guy's so salty because he thought he was going to walk right up and prove me wrong the first time. It's fun to give him a hard time. You're good. 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 So it's lightened up a little bit, the sky has, but it also actually
Opened up.
it opened up, it actually started raining. So I think we're actually kind of close to being out.
Another 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah, check out these bomb wipers. Oh, they're so good, they're brand new.
$17.
Off the old flea bay.
Off eBay. Bosch. They're usually like in store like 20 bucks a piece. Got them for like $17.88 for both of them. So, and then a little bit of Rain-X on there. I mean, that's all you need really.
Okay, so it's actually raining pretty good now. The visibility isn't that great. There you go, you can kind of see it. There's a giant, like, just gully wash down the middle of these trails now. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but that's what I'm going with. But on the bright side, he gets a free truck wash, so that's, yeah. It's still raining pretty good. We're on the exit road now, the gravel road on the way out. Apparently we're gonna check something out back here. I missed what it was.
Where's that go?
I don't know, is that a camp spot maybe? I kinda actually wanna get out and see. It's almost worth doing.
We need to check that out sometime. No, it keeps going.
But you know,
Might be a little camp spot. We'll check it out.
if we can get pulled off far enough, that might be a little camp spot, yeah. We're rocking that light bar still, but I mean, it's raining pretty good now, and it has been 5 or 10 minutes or so. We're just rocking out, going down the mountain. Are we going to Burger King from here?
Oh yeah. That's what we're doing.